was online and I ordered some stuff from Aldi. They were doing the hobby and yarn special again on the 2nd of February. So this is my parcel just been delivered. So let's get it open and I'm going to show you what I bought. So I may have to adjust the camera just a little bit while I get this box opened. There we go. I hope you can see in here. I'm bashing everything around on my desk, my goodness. So if you get the usual thank you for your order, and you get an up and coming special buy magazine, and this is the store that I got it from, Aldi's. It's a brilliant little shop as well. Now we'll take the stuffing out. Muttley always likes eating the papers. Oh, look at this. That's such a nice colour. And the brand is just called So Crafty. And look at that. Oh, that is so soft. It's only £3.99 for 4 balls. In the UK, that makes it, what, 99 pence a ball? 99, not even, well, even just like £1 a ball. My goodness. And it's got a little bit where you can touch it. Oh, look. That is so soft. I really like that. I'll put that down there. I got a lilac one as well. I got this in the lilac. Oh, that's really nice as well. I'm sure they had this the last time and I bought one before and I've used it all. So I've got this really pretty lilac. Now, I'm sorry if the camera moves about a little bit. It's just because I've got the camera resting on the box. What have I got now? Oh, I got some cotton. This is a denim cotton. I was trying to make scrubbies. I like the way they've got a little hole in it so you can feel it. Mind you, if you're in the shops, all that's yanked out with everybody pulling at it. So I got some nice blue cotton, £3.99. It's a 50-gram ball each. I mean, it's in the shops, even a really good quality cotton is, what, £2.50 a ball? And it's really nice. What else did I get? I got this one. Oh, this is macrame yarn. They had macrame yarn this time. Now they haven't had, I haven't seen it anyway. And look at that. It's like a cord. And oh, I should have bought more of that. I only bought one packet to see what it was like. I didn't realise it was going to be like a cord. That's amazing. I used to do macrame years ago. Like a long time ago. I used to do a lot of macrame, especially when I was in like the last year of high school. And oh, I'll have to find something to make with that. Something better than just a plant pot holder, I suppose. That's really nice. I like that. I've got Muttley trying to jump up on me to get into this box. What else have we got? Oh, this one. Touch Me. Now, my sister Liz, I don't know if she ordered any of this, but she likes cotton yarn as well. And this is a white and denim. It's got white and denim through it. It's a 50-gram ball each, and you get 4 in the packet. There's 4 balls in that packet, so it's 200 grams for £3.99. Come on, where can you get it for that cheap? So what else did I use the last of my Christmas money for? This one. What's that? Oh, T-shirt yarn. Well, I was expecting this to be thicker. When I was online and I saw this, look how thin that is. I really expected that to be about maybe as thick as my little... I thought it would be much thicker than that. That sort of puts a bummer on the idea I had for the T-shirt yarn. That's not much. It's stretchier than the macrame yarn. But I'll find something for it. It's really soft. I mean, that is just really, really so soft and silky feeling. A little bit disappointed. I mean, they've got a little basket made on here, but I would have expected from the picture I saw online, I would have thought the t-shirt yarn was going to be about this thick, at least, or maybe even that thick. I thought the t-shirt yarn was going to be about that thick, and it's turned out it's not, it's that thick, like that. But I'll find something to make with it. No doubt I'll be getting comments saying, I'll have it, I'll have it. My sister will be sending, she'll be phoning me up saying, give it to me, give it to me. And I got 2 of those. I got 2 in that grey. That's it doesn't actually say what the colour is. Pebble. It's called Pebble. That colour. I'll throw that down there. And I got one. Oh, this is really nice. This is the t-shirt yarn again, and it's in a really soft sort of minty green. It's really pretty. Now, the idea I had for this was making a doll carrier, almost like the Moses baskets. It's not quite, maybe if I used a really thin hook, but I don't think so. I could double it up. I could double it up, but it seems such a pity because, can you know something? I'm a little bit more disappointed in this than I actually was, but I will find something to make with it. It's going to make a lovely blanket. Or even a baby shawl. I will find something. If you know something that you've maybe bought this already and you've made something, then just drop me a line on the bottom of the video and tell me what I could do. That's that. I think I only got one of that. Oh, I didn't. There's another one. I got 2. I always try and keep some money left over from Christmas for when they do this in February. What else have I got? Oh, I thought I would try this. I've never used this. It says knit and purl pom pom yarn, but I know you can crochet with this. And I'm sure I read somewhere when my sister Sandra's used this stuff before, and I'm sure she said that you get 2 crochet stitches out of the part in between the pom pom, this fluffy pom pom part, or when you knit it. Depends on your tension. It might be 3 stitches, I'm not quite sure, and then you get a pom pom on it. But that'll be quite fun having a go at that. I've never tried this before. It's called Pom Pom yarn. Again, it was only $3.99 for, these are 100 gram balls. Let me have a wee check. No, they're 50 gram balls, even though they look quite big. It would only cost you like 100 grams. It's only going to cost you just, what, £2? That's really, really good for that. I got that. It's in a twinkle. It's called Twinkle. It's actually, you can't really see it. It's pink. Let me try and get my light to shine. It's you can't quite see it. It looks grey. It's not. It's a pink. It's like a dusty pink. This one is a cream. This one says touch me as well. It says lunar, so I take it it's like a moon colour, a silvery moon colour. That was $3.99 as well. I suppose you could mix it. You can see the shade difference in it. That one's got a nice pink and that one's like a silver. I'll pop them down there on the floor. What have I got now? Another one of the cotton yarn. I really like that. I quite fancied making a cotton top or something for summer. I've never tried anything like that, so I might try something. I'm sure you've got some ideas. Put some ideas in the comments for me for what else I can use the cotton yarn for. A lot of the time it's like those pot holders and scrubbies, that kind of thing. If there's anything else that you know that you like making with this, then put a little comment in and let me know. We're nearly at the bottom of this box, I think. Got quite a lot actually. Yep, we're nearly at the bottom. Oh, do you know, I only got one of these and actually wished I'd got more. I wasn't so sure about this. This is Sherbet Burst and it says it's a self-pattern. It looks sort of lemony. It's more of a sort of pink, if you can see it. There's pinks and lemon and a pale blue, a mint green in it, and I think it'll crochet up really, really nice. That was $3.99. It's 50 gram balls again. It was $3.99, but it's really pretty when you think that that's 100 grams That's 100 grams. The shawl I've just done was done with less than 200 grams. So you think you're getting a shawl or a baby blanket for what, $3.99? But I really like that. They've got a little pair of wellies on here, so I take it you can use this for making socks and that kind of stuff. But it's really soft. It would make a beautiful baby dress. It really would, or a romper suit. I'll put that down there. I'm just disappointed I've only got one of those. I got this really nice blue. See if I can get, oh, there we go. So you get the light, and I've got my lights on. It's dark outside. And this one, it's really soft. It's a double knitting. It was $3.99 again, but it's 100 gram balls this time. So you're getting 400 grams for $3.99. Amazing. And it's really nice and soft, this yarn. I've made things with this before. So that's the colour there, that sort of greenish when it goes sort of green. It's just my lighting. Fix it. There we go. That's the colour of it there. It's really, really nice. I like that. It's nice and squishy as well. I'm going to hold this one up again and see if we can see the colour better. There you go. That's the colour. The colours that's in that. It's really pretty. It must just be the light in here. Pull that down there. What have we got left? We've just got a pink and a blue. That's it. It's quite a small by comparison to some of the yarn things I've got. This is a darker one. Hold it up a bit. There you go. That's a darker blue. This blue is called Denim, and this one's called Teal, and you can see the sort of difference in it. They both go together though. It's really quite pretty, that. And the last one I've got is a pink, a nice pink, and I've got some of this from the last time. If you hold it up here, it doesn't look as wishy-washy as that. It's a nice bright pink, and it's nice and soft. If I can get the light to go right. I hate when the light doesn't go right. But it's a really nice bright pink. It's brighter than it looks, and it's really pretty. $3.99 again, and it's 100 gram ball, and I got 4 of those, so I'm quite pleased with what I've got. I hope you like it as well. If you've got any ideas of what you can get, then just drop me a line down in the comments, and I'm going to fill my box back up, and I'm going to put it up in my craft room, and we'll get using it on some things or other. If you've got any ideas with the t-shirt yarn, then please leave me a comment. It is thinner than I expected. With this one, this is the t-shirt yarn. It's a really pretty shade of, it says it's aqua. This one, it's called aqua. I didn't tell you what colour the other one was. Yes, I did. The other one's Pebble. That one's Pebble, and that one, as you can see, it's a really pretty blue, sort of greenish blue. It's really nice. But if you've got any ideas of what I can do with this, because I'm a little bit miffed that it's only this thick. I was expecting it to be thicker, but that's what happens when you're online. Even when you see it online, it looks thicker, but that's the kind of thing that happens when you can't get into a shop, if there's none that's close by to you, or you just can't get in. Because really, if I was in the shop, I would have a lot more than this. So I'll pop all my yarn back into the box. Oh, I've got an eBay order coming. I got some money from my daughter for Christmas. She gave me a few gifts, but she gave me some money as well. So what I did that I've never done before is I bought a box of yarn from eBay. I bought one, it was $19.95, and I think it's about 18 balls, and it's a little, you don't know what you're getting. But it looked as if it was really good quality wool or yarn. It looked as if it was really good quality. And I did recognise 1 or 2 of the labels on it. So we'll see. We'll see. That's coming in about 2 days or so. So I'll do another little unboxing with that from the one from eBay. Please click on that subscribe button. As always, I ask all the time, give me some moral support. Click on the subscriber button. Get my subscriber numbers up. Come on, come on, come on. And click on that little bell icon, and you'll be notified when I put up another video, unboxing or a tutorial, anything like that. You'll get to see it. So I really appreciate that. So thank you very much. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.